I'm at the Pali Hotel in Culver City. Let's go on a tour. The hotel's in Culver City, about halfway between Santa Monica Beach and downtown. This little 49-room Art Deco gem used to be the West End Hotel, built in the 1920s. They've retained the original Art Deco look of the building while adding this interesting mural on the side. In terms of price, I'd say this place is low to mid-range. What I like about this place is it's in a very quiet area, but it's only a block from a bunch of restaurants and bars and nightlife. There's a cool Art Deco theater on the next block, and the hotel's only a block from Culver City's main square. Culver City's gone through a bit of a renaissance and is suddenly kind of hip with lots of restaurants, bars, cafes, and shops to choose from. And for a bit of trivia, NPR broadcasts parts of All Things Considered out of Culver City. 2 blocks from the hotel is the Culver Studios, with quite a history. Gone with the Wind, Rocky, The Andy Griffith Show, just to name a few, were filmed here. And of course, that all-time classic, Legally Blonde. You can tour the studio Monday to Fridays. It's still busily producing TV shows and movies. Right. Okay, let's check out the room. Small closet, but it's fine for a room this size. Its bedside reading lamps are a nice touch. Sorry, couldn't resist. A tasteful art on the wall. You know, so many hotels can't get a minibar right. These guys have done it right. Assortment of snacks here, some red wine opener, that's important, popcorn, some other snacks, candy, and then fully stocked minibar, which is super important. You never know when you're gonna have to do a shot. Some beer, soft drinks, champagne, wine. With this niche, it's on the small side. I'm not gonna sit here and work, but nicely designed, and I appreciate the coffee station here. Small chair, and the bathroom. Tasteful bathroom. Nice tile on the wall. I like the sconces there, or whatever, lighting fixtures on the wall. I think this tile is really nice too. I think it's tasteful. There's a little niche there, but there's nothing in it. So they've done this deal instead. I prefer just loose stuff than niche, but I bet you they have a bunch of people stealing stuff. I like this old school glass between the bathroom and the bedroom. Okay, good morning. Quick report on the bed. The bed and the pillows get a 7. They're pretty good. And I'm going to give this place a 5 in terms of blackout. Could be a lot less bright in this room, but that's what it looks like in the morning after the sun's come up. Wish it was darker. Bye. The hotel's Art Deco entry oozes with charm. They've retained most of the original Art Deco features. The lobby, restaurant, and bar have all been tastefully updated, and I think are very charming. The restaurant flows out to this tasteful outdoor space. Unfortunately, the restaurant's not open on Tuesdays, the night I was there, so I can only show you how it looks without peeps at night. But here it is in the morning for breakfast with peeps. Okay, a few more things you may want to know. There's central AC, there's no gym, the hotel's pet friendly, and kids are welcome. In terms of rating, they get a 7 for Wi-Fi speed, a 10 for accessibility, and a 9 for close-by dining options. We're recommending the Pali Culver City as an affordable, low to mid-priced option if you want to be in this part of LA. The rooms and the bathroom are on the smaller side, but if that's not a deal breaker, it's quiet, stylish, and a block from a pleasant neighborhood with lots of dining options.
Remember, we're supported by our viewers, not the hotels we review, so help us out by smashing that like button, and why not subscribe? Check out the other hotel recs we're making for LA, from chic and glamorous, to laid-back beach, to hidden gems. And we've tried to include the most interesting neighborhoods in the city, as well as a range of price points. If you want more info about this hotel, there's a link below to our website where you can get a free PDF with practical insider information. See us in the next video.